Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to learn about numericals on Fourier analysis or Fourier series. Given is your sawtooth waveform of voltage function. We have to find its Fourier series. First of all, what we have to do, we have to actually find out the expression for this function or this waveform given to you. It is given that this is sawtooth waveform of the voltage. This is your voltage. By seeing the diagram, you can see that the time period is t. The time period is t. After the time t, the waveform is repeating itself. The waveform is repeating itself. You can see this. So, the time period is of this waveform, voltage waveform is capital T. Okay. Why this is time period? Because V of t plus t is your V of t. As we have studied, f of t plus t is equal to f of t. So there exists a finite value t, capital T, which is added in the argument, results in the waveform, the original waveform. You can see and observe here. This height is k given to you, so k1. This is k1 given to you. Now by using coordinate geometry formula, y is equal to mx plus c, we are going to find the expression for this voltage function, which is your sawtooth waveform. Now c is your intercept. This formula is for the function like this. Which is not passing through the origin. So this is your intercept, C. This is your intercept. But in this case, the function is, the waveform is passing through origin. So C will be 0 here. C will be 0 here. And what about M? M is your tan theta. That is your slope. Slope of this function is, the tan theta is given here. The tan theta of this waveform is given as, see this, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. This is your theta. If this is your 90 degree, this is your theta. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is your k1 value and base is capital T. Okay, so we have found M comma or tan theta is equal to k1 upon T. So from this equation we can have V of T is equal to k1 by T into small t. Vt is your y and small t is your x, and k1 by t is your slope or tan theta. I have written this equation in the range of t greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than or equal to t in the range, this range. Why? Because after time t, capital T, the waveform is repeating. It's periodic in nature. That's right. Amplitude is equal to K1 from the diagram, and we have found the expression for the voltage in the range of t greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than or equal to capital T. And the function is Vt is equal to K1 by T into T. So the average value the average value can be calculated as A naught is equal to 1 by T integral from 0 to T function Vt dt. That's equal to 1 by T integral from 0 to T K1 by T dt is equal to integrated. We will get K1 by T square by 2 from 0 to T. Put the value of limit into this. We will get A naught is equal to K1 by 2. Since from the diagram it is clear that the wave has the odd symmetry. From the diagram, let's see the diagram. This is the diagram. The diagram is clearly depicting that it is having odd symmetry. It is not even symmetrical. Okay. So, what we are going to do for the odd symmetry waveform, the coefficients of cosine terms will be 0. It is well understood, and we have studied this. For wave which is having odd symmetry, the coefficients of cosine terms, coefficient of cosine terms will be 0. So, let me write this. This waveform is having odd symmetry. That means what? The coefficients of cosine terms equal to 0. That means what? An is equal to integral from n is equal to 2 by t integral from 0 to t Vt dt cos n omega t is equal to 0. Write in the proper manner. Actually it is like 2 by t integration from 0 to t vt cos n omega t dt. The cosine terms is 0 as depicted here. So this is 0. Now the coefficient Bn is given by 2 by t integration from 0 to t v of t sin n omega t dt, which is equal to 2 by t integration from 0 to t. Put the value of Vt. Vt value is k1 by capital T into t sin n omega t. Sin n omega t dt. Integrate it, we will get 2 k1 by t square minus t cos n omega t upon n omega from this n omega plus sin n omega t upon n square omega square, close the square bracket, put the limit 0 to t. Put the limit inside this, whole thing, we will get 2 k1 upon t square minus capital T cos of n omega t upon n omega plus sin of n omega t upon n square omega square put now put omega is equal to 2 pi by t. We will get Bn is equal to 2 k1 by t minus t square cos n 2 pi upon n 2 pi plus t square sin n 2 pi upon n 2 pi n 2 pi whole square This gives you the result This gives you the result minus k1 upon n pi. So the Fourier series of given function Vt is, it can be written as Vt is equal to k1 by 2 minus, put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. K1 upon pi sin omega t minus k1 by 2 pi k1 by 2 pi sin 2 omega t minus k1 by 3 pi sin 3 omega t and so on. This is a required answer solution. Now let us move towards another analysis of the same waveform. We are having same waveform. This is your origin. This is your time period t to 2t. This is 2t. This is 3t. This is 4t, and the function is repeating itself. This is k1 given to you, and this is your voltage function Vt, and this is t. We have to find another trigonometrical form of Fourier series. We have to find another trigonometrical Fourier series, trigonometrical form of Fourier series and also we have to draw its line spectrum. Line spectrum. This is the question number 2. Previously we have concluded and analyzed and calculated all these things. The time period of the given sawtooth voltage waveform is capital T, and the expression for the waveform during the time greater than equal to 0 and lesser than equal to capital T was found, and that was Vt is equal to k1 by t into t. So we have to just go for another trigonometrical form of Fourier series, and that is given by the formula. Let me write it here. That is given by the formula Vt is equal to a0 plus summation from n is equal to 1 to infinity Cn cos of n omega t minus theta n minus theta n, where Cn can be written as under root an square plus bn square, an square plus bn square, and tan theta n, that is tan theta n is equal to bn by n. That means what? That means theta n is equal to tan inverse bn by an. Tan inverse bn by n. This is your complete analysis. Now we have seen that an is 0 for this function, and bn is equal to minus k1 by n pi. Let's see. This is your bn. See this. This is your bn. We have calculated this. And we are using this for the next analysis. Therefore what we have Cn is equal to k1 by n pi. How? Let's have a quick look. Cn is equal to under root an square plus bn square. So this is your under root 0 plus minus k1 by n pi whole square. So it is coming k1 upon n pi. Cn is equal to k1 upon n pi. And what about theta n? Theta n is tan inverse bn by an, when an is 0. So it means what? That implies theta n is equal to tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse infinity, that is equal to pi by 2 radian. Now the Fourier series can be written as let me write it here. Vt is equal to k1 by t plus summation from n is equal to 1 to infinity k1 by n pi cos of n omega t minus pi by 2. This is your answer. The Fourier series is in this term can be written like this. The line spectrum for the given wave form can be represented as like this. light spectrum. The first part is amplitude spectrum. Amplitude spectrum, that is this is your N. This is K1 by 2. This is K1 by pi. Let me correct. There should not be arrowhead. This is 1, 2. This is K1 by 2 pi. K1 by 2 pi. And this is K1 by 3 pi, and so on. This is your amplitude spectrum. And what about phase spectrum? Part B is your phase spectrum. Part B is your phase spectrum. That is pi by 2. That is pi by 2. It is at origin. It is at n is equal to 1. This is on n. This is 2. This is 3, and so on. This one is also pi by 2. This one is also pi by 2. So this is your complete light spectrum. We have seen initially that light spectrum contain two things. The first one is amplitude spectrum, and the second part is your phase spectrum. As you can see from the series, see this. This is your complete series. From this only we are going to plot the light spectrum. One is your amplitude spectrum, and the another one is your phase spectrum. We have calculated amplitude and phase also. This is another example, another question where we have to determine the Fourier series expansion. For the given waveform, we have to determine the Fourier series expansion in trigonometrical form. Given is your triangular waveform. This is your triangular waveform given. This is your triangular waveform given. The shape is actually triangular. This is your origin, and this is t by 4, this is t by 2, this is t by 2. Okay. We can see the given waveform has the odd symmetry. It is having odd symmetry. Let us do for the exercise, for the solution. It is having odd symmetry, right? So what we have to do, just write it is having odd symmetry. So for the odd symmetry, what we know, there will be only sine terms. For the wave, there will be only sine terms in Fourier series. Sorry. The Fourier series will contain only sine terms. That is, an will be equal to 0. Also, see, by the inspection method, by observing it very nicely, inspection, we can see that the average value, AN, the average value. See this one and this one is symmetrical, and this one is a plus, this one is your minus. Likewise, this one and this one is actually equal and opposite waveform. So the average value A naught, average value, the average value A naught will be equal to 0. So we have to calculate only Bn, and Bn will be equal to Bn is equal to 4 by T integral from 0 to T by 2, from here to here, from here to here, T by 2 of Ft sine n omega t dt, n omega t dt. Now let us define the function given. Let us find or define the given waveform, the given function Ft. See this, we have this waveform from 0 to T by 4, from T greater than 0 to lesser than T by 4, and this declining or decreasing or negative slope waveform after T by 4 up to T by 2, that is when T has greater than T by 4 time axis but lesser than T by 2. For this region, for this entire 2 region, we have to find the value of the function Ft. The value of function Ft. Let us do it here only, so that it will be very easy to understand, as graph is actually on the screen. So let me delete all these things and we'll have the waveform afresh. So f of t will be equal to see this, will be equal to, in the terms of y is equal to mx plus c. C is your intercept, m is your slope, c is your intercept. We have studied in coordinate geometry. And m is your slope, tan theta, and y is your ft, and x is your t. X is t and y is your f of function t, f of t. So in the region when t is greater than 0 but lesser than t by 4, it is having slope. See this. If it is theta in this triangle, if it is theta, this is 90 degree. The perpendicular is on 1. The perpendicular is on 1. So it will be 1 by this is base 1 by t by 4 into x. X is your t. So this can be written as 4 by t, capital T, into small t, for the reason this. And for the reason this, let us write. Now see this. The slope is negative. The slope is declining. This is, if this is angle theta, this is angle 90 degree, this is angle theta, and this remains, the perpendicular remains 1. So slope is negative here. For the second angle, for this, m is negative here. Slope is negative here. So it will be minus 1 upon 4 by t by 4. This is t by 4. Minus 1 upon t by 4. And you have intercept also. See this. For this graph we have intercept also. Where is the intercept? This is the intercept. This is the. If we extrapolate this graph, it will go on, and it will cut here. So what is this value? Let us calculate this value. So this is your symmetrical graph. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is equal. This angle is equal to this angle. This is equal to this. So this must be equal to this. So it is 1. So it is another 1. So it will be 2. So the intercept will be C. Intercept will be plus 2. So it is actually minus 4 by t. Here it is small t always, minus 4 by t into t plus 2. This whole function is for time period this. So we have function defined as, let us write fresh. We have ft is equal to 4 by t when t is greater than 0 but lesser than t by 4. And we have minus 4 by t plus 2 for t is greater than t by 4 but lesser than t by 2. Now we can have Vn is equal to 4 by t integral from 0 to t by 4. 4t by t sin n omega t dt plus integration from t by 4 to t by 2. Integration from t by 4 to t by 2. We have started from 0 to reach to t by 4. We have started from again t by 4 and reached to t by 2. See this. We have started from 0 reached t by 4 and started again from t by 4 and reached t by 2. In between 0 to t by 4, in between 0 to t by 4, the function is 4t by t, and in between t by 4 to t by 2, the function is minus 4t by capital T plus 2 sine of n omega t dt. Okay, we get Bn is equal to 0 for n is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. We can have this. Put the value of n is equal to 2, 4, 6 or 8 in this value. You will get the entire Bn is equal to 0. And after calculation we can have Bn, another value Bn is equal to 8 upon n pi square, n pi whole square for n is equal to 1, 5, 9, and Bn will be equal to minus 8 by n pi whole square for n is equal to 3, 7 and so on. So the Fourier series is f of t is equal to 8 by pi square. I've taken common, so it is sin omega t minus 1 by 3 square sin 3 omega t plus 1 by 5 square sin 5 omega t and so on. Likewise, we can also calculate the line spectrum, that is at 1, and the line spectrum is drawn like this. It is 8 upon pi square it is 8 upon 3 pi square this is 4, this is 5 and this is your n. This is 8 upon 5 pi whole square. This is your amplitude spectrum. This is your amplitude spectrum. So this is the complete solution where we have the Fourier series and the spectrum, that is your amplitude spectrum.